welcome back to my channel, and hello and welcome if you're joining me for the first time. My name's Tara and I do makeup tutorials and things like that here on my channel. So if that tickles your fancy and you feel like sticking around. So guys, in today's video I've collaborated with a lovely bunch of ladies again to bring you this stinking pink makeup look. So this is all inspired for National Pink Day, which is on the 23rd of June, and this is my interpretation. I've done like pink with green because I associate stinky with green obviously, and I thought I'd do like a little bit of a unicorny, mermaid, I think it's more mermaid vibes, but yeah, I'm absolutely loving this look and I hope you do too. So in this collaboration I'm collaborating with Afoma from Afoma.O. I think that's how I say your name, sweetie, I hope it is. And Candace from Hampton, Rachael from Rae Young, Rachael from Pixie Rai MUA, Lisa the Curvy Cuban, Samantha Slaughter, Sara the Daily Dose of Sara O, Shelly Shalaka. We are all bringing you this stinking pink makeup look. I'm obsessed. I think I look like a mermaid and I'm loving it. So I've decided to go with like a bright pink on the forehead, bring in some little glitter gems and build in a little bit of green with it, because I know it's a pink look but I associate stinking with green because of like all the green. Ugh. But yeah, so I just decided to put a little bit of green on my face and I think it really goes together really nicely. Please comment down in the comments below and let me know what you think about this look. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because it would be absolutely amazing. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. I cannot believe it. It's really amazing. So yeah, thank you so much for subscribing, and yeah, enjoy the look guys. Sit back, have a cup of tea, cup of coffee, or a little bit of wine. I know I am when I'm going to be editing this video. And yeah, enjoy the video guys, and I will see you in the next one. We are bringing another collaboration video, just a little taster, next Friday. So be sure to subscribe and don't miss out on all the fun stuff that's happening on this channel. Do you like the new banner, my new name? I've changed the name up on my channel. It's no longer Tara Beauty 36 anymore. I've ditched the 36. It's gone. It's kaput. We are now Tara_Beauty. So if you search my name, search it under Tara_Beauty. And yeah, so guys, let me know about the name change if you think it's good. Also, I've changed my banner on all my socials as well. So we're getting a bit of a theme, a bit of a style here now. I'm getting all professional. So guys, sit back, enjoy the video, and I love you always, and stay safe. So jumping straight in guys, I have already got my base on, so just to save time, and I've already done my brows. So let's just get straight into a little bit of contour maybe. I have this little palette called the Glow palette from Colour Story, and it's literally filled with lots of pink. So I might use this shade called Nectar mixed with Radiant Rose and try and do a little bit of contour. Then I'm going to take a blush brush, which is just a Juicy Couture one, and I'm going to go into Pink Pearl, which is this beautiful pink shade here, and I'm going to use yet again more pink and do a little bit of blush. I might actually nip into a little bit of that Radiant Rose because you can't actually see that blush. Can we really? So I've got these Boohoo Cosmo highlighter drops, which look like this. So let's put a bit of that on. And when I say a little, I mean a lot. And obviously get it into my hairline as well. So then I'm going to use some highlight, and I'm going to be using the Imagination highlight in Pure. And I'm going to be using the Jessup 105 highlighter brush. Went a bit, ooh, a bit lightheaded then. And now I look like the Tin Man. Fantastic. So before I do the eyes, I'm going to carve out my eyebrows with the concealer from Revolution. This is the Conceal and Hydrate one. And I really love this. I didn't like the foundation, but I do like the concealer. And I use it on a daily basis. And I think it's really good. So I'm just going to plop some of that on. And I'm going to be using a Spectrum 807 flat brush, and we're just going to carve out the brows and pop this all over the lid. So for eyeshadow, guys, you guessed it, I'm using the Stacey Marie Carnival palette by Be Perfect. I'm obsessed with this palette. I'm so sorry if I keep using it all the time. You guys are probably bored of it, but I'm obsessed. It's my newfound favourite thing. So the first shade we're going to go into is Foolish, which is this beautiful light pink. And I'm going to be using a BH Cosmetics number 6 brush, which is just a fluffy brush. And I'm going to dip into that first shade, which is Foolish, and pop that all over in the crease and right up to the brow bone. The next shade of pink we're going to be going into is this one called Pep Talk, and it's just a little bit deeper. And I'm using the same brush. And then we're going to deepen it up even further and go into this hot pink called Funky. It's full commitment for you. And for the stinking part, I'm going to use Ecstasy and pop that all over the concealer that we've just placed down. Then I've got these stickers. These are from Glam Queen Face Jewels. And I got these in, I think it was a rocker box. So I'm just going to apply some of these. So now I'm going to run some of that green under the lash line as well and just really smoke it out. So I'm just going to apply some mascara, and the mascara I'm going to be using is this one from L'Oreal. It's the X Fiber False Lash XXXX mascara, and it's absolutely amazing. I love this mascara. So you have one side So you have one side that's a normal mascara. And the other side's got like fibres in it, so it makes your lashes more volumized. But I'm still gonna put falsies on, guys. So the false lashes I'm going to put on are these from Fur, and they're 3D So the lashes I'm going to be putting on are these lashes from Fur, and they're the 3D fake mink lashes, and they're in the style Gala, and I got these from a rocker box. So that's the lashes on, guys. I would have preferred them to be a little bit more fluttery, but they're a little bit more natural looking. But yeah, so I'm going to go back in with this Boohoo Cosmo highlighter and pop that in the inner corner. Just a wee dab in the inner corner. And just blend that out with a brush. Like so. And in the palette, I'm going to be using, Fair Play, which is that lovely golden highlight shade. And I'm just going to pop that in the inner corners, just to brighten up that inner corner a little bit. Like so. And then we're going to go on to lips, which is the last thing to do. So of course I'm going to be using a hot pink, which is my Too Faced Melted Lipstick. This is in the shade Fuchsia, and it's a brighter than bright pink. I'm just going to put that on. And then to give it that little bit of something, because I don't know, it's missing a little bit of something. I think I'm going to use a bit of that Green Ecstasy shade and bring it a little bit around the mouth. Just a little bit, because it is a green stinking pink. So it is a stinking pink look. So I want a little bit of green around the mouth area. So guys, this is my finished look for Stinking Pink. I've gone with the green to make it look like it's stinky, because I associate green with stinky, obviously. And yeah, this is what I've come up with. It's giving me unicorn vibes for some reason. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did enjoy this video and you are enjoying all these collabs that we and the girls are doing, smash the thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload a video, which is once a week on my channel, and sometimes you get a bonus video here and there. So stay beautiful and stay safe, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.